Hello Facebook, hello YouTube. Today we have iPhone 5s phone which is water damage couple of months ago into a pool. Then my friend he take the SIM card and SIM tray out right here, and he dumped this put the phone into the rice bag of rice. What he say, after a couple of months, like after several months, he tried to turn it on, but it turned it on. But when he tried to put the SIM card in it, try to put the SIM card in it, but the SIM card won't go inside. Let's see, is that true? Like, okay, let's okay. Here's the okay. Try the SIM card. Is it work? No, it won't go. See, it won't. The SIM card won't go all the way in. That's the problem he mentioned about this iPhone. Let's check, is it turned on? Yes, it's turned on, it's working. See, it's working, but problem is SIM card won't go on. Well, what I'm going to do is just take apart and try to clean the SIM card holder and see whether it's work. And plus we can see how which area the water damage going on the phone. Okay, to do this repair, we need to take out these two screws first. These screws, like size, we call pentalobe screws. It's like a kind of like a star shape. This is the screwdriver I used to. I'm going to take apart using this one. I think each of everyone should be have. You should have one set of these, like this and one Phillips head, and also one flat screwdriver. Yeah, one flat one. Let me find one for, yeah, like this one. Like this one. See, if you have these three, you can take apart any iPhone. Yes, but except you need some other tools like plastic, this kind of tools. I will show how the tool when I perform this one. Okay, first we take out two pentalobe screws, which is right here beside of the dock port. Okay, then we put these two screws in a secure place. Next step is take out the screen. To do that, we use this corner. Like, I think we have to first clean this a little bit. I see this is rice dust. I don't suggest, I don't tell anybody to put whenever your phone is water damage. I don't tell putting the rice, because rice make worse and worse. That's my private opinion and my experience. According to my experience, best thing. But what's the first aid for whenever your device, iPhone or iPad or some other phone, if it is mistakenly drop into water? First aid is, as soon as possible, turn off the phone, or don't try to turn on it. First turn off it. Don't try to turn on it. If you can, like Samsung, like other models, you can take out the battery pretty easy, but iPhone, you can do that. Do not next step is, do not charge it. Do not put any power source to the phone. That's best. You can first aid. That's a first aid you can do. Next step is using if you are not afraid to do that, using a screwdriver, take apart the phone. Then leave like when you take apart and put it upside down, then like gravity, using the gravity, the water can come outside. Don't use hair blow dryers, like don't use hot air to dry this up, or don't put in rice. If there's a lot of possible, we can fix the phone, the water damaged phone, in really quickly if you react really quickly. Within a couple of hours, if you can take apart this phone and clean with alcohol, rubbing alcohol. As soon as you take out the screen out, then take out the battery. That's the very first thing you can do. Then if you know inside component everything, you can get the logic board out. It's clean with the rubbing alcohol. Like I suggest like 90% or higher than 90%, like 94, 99, like something alcohol. You can clean it. Then what happened? Then alcohol replace the water, like the then it can clean couple of times. Then most of the time we can't use the battery, and then we have to use a good battery. Then your phone is good to go work. It should be work. It's like most case like 80% your phone will be work. That's 80% chance if you can do it right away, like within a 1 hour, 2 hours. Otherwise it's get more and more worse. Don't try to dry it. Okay, let's take part and see what we're using. Razor blade to open the phone, using this corner, bottom left corner, and put it behind the bezel, like a metal bezel, and make a gap. It's you then using iSesamo tool, and we can make the gap. And next step is like now we're using plastic, this plastic tool to get into the screen. In this time you have to like don't be rush, don't try to rush, like push it up and go around here. Take your time, yeah, come all the way around here. What you can do when it's water damage, you can do this part by yourself. I think most people can do. Then once you get all the way around here, don't go inside, and then once you come here, get a little bit back, push back a little bit, not much, like a little bit. Then you can take out the screen. Like you can take out all the way this iPhone 5s, because it's connect with right here, it's connect with the home flex cables. I think you can see that clearly. How do we remove? We using a plastic tool. Don't use metal tools. Using a plastic tool to remove the shield right here. I try my best to show you what's inside there, and if like remove the shield. see, now it's the cable connected here, then it comes up. Then what you do, just flip all the way in. Okay, we can see this sign. You see this get pink or red color. That's the indicator. It's water damage. That's a water damage indicator. Okay. First, take out this battery shield right here. 2 screws. Then you can, using a plastic tool, or you can use your nails, just pop up the battery connector from here. Okay. Pop up. This is the one what you can do very first. As soon as your phone water damage, this is the part what you can do to save your phone like 80%. As soon as you take out this battery connector, it means no power on the motherboard. Then your phone can be saved, your data can be saved, your pictures, videos can be saved. Like, do not like put in dries, or do not try to dry out different ways. Best thing is take next, like if you do this first aid, we can recover your phone, we can fix your phone, like at least you can get your pictures and videos out. Okay, next step is we try to remove this shield. There are 4 screws which is located here. 4 screws underneath the shield, the front facing camera flex, digitizer flex, LCD flex, all connected right underneath here. What we're going to do, remove those 4 screws and take the shield out. Make sure whenever you take part of phone, like make sure you put your screws in organized, because all the screws are not like same. These are like different sizes, and organizing the screws is really important part whenever you take apart phone. Like if you mistakenly put a wrong screw in a wrong place, sometimes your logic board or motherboard can be damaged. Okay, right, next thing is we take out this the shield out, and we can see another water damage indicator here. That's how the Apple or other people know the phone is water damaged or not. I think you can see that one. These the pink or red color. Let me put some light, then you can see. Okay, in here another red color sticker right here, and one is here, one is here. It's normally it's in white color. After water damage, they turn into this pink or red color. That's how the Apple or the other phone, the other shop, they know this is water damage. And also there's another place we can identify as water damage. Once you see through your try to see through your headphone jack, and bottom of the headphone jack there's another this kind of sticker. I'm using plastic tool to remove these connectors. Okay, we are good. We remove all the connectors. These are the 3 connectors. digitizer. This is long one is digitizer. I can see some corrosion on the digitizer already. And this is the video cable. This is a video one. This is the front facing camera cable, and this is a home button cable. Okay. What also a screen have a water damage indicator too right here. I think you can see that clearly. It's pink also. See, it's pink. It's mean this screen also water damage, but luckily this one is still working. Okay, next step is we're going to take the logic board out and see what's wrong with this SIM card tray, because original problem is this SIM card won't go inside. Okay. Okay, let me find a plastic tool. Okay, this is the power on, volume up and down cable, and we take out that one too right here. And this is the dock port connector, which is connect the dock port and these parts. We take out that one too. We need to take out both of those to remove the logic board. And there's an antenna cable right here. We need to use plastic sponge tool to remove that. To remove these antenna cables, you have to be really careful. It's because you don't have much space to work around with, and if you push more power in it will be break. Okay, next step is this is the front face, the main camera, back camera connector. You remove that one. Okay. Now we have to remove those screws, then take out the logic board. Okay. In here we have a lot of now we have another flat, need a flat screwdriver for this one. Yes. Take out this one right here, and there's another flat screw here. To organize the screws, you can use a magnetic plate or something like that. Okay, looks good. Let's try to that's all the screws we have to take out for now. Okay, there's another one, I don't know which is, I don't think this one go all the way inside. No, yes, it's connected. Okay. Now its motherboard is the logic board already clear to take out. Okay, we have some more screws up there. Let's underneath this shield we have a couple of more screws. This is the back camera sensor flasher and the other sensor unit. It has a small shield which is secure the flasher of the back camera. Okay. So this is a rubber gasket which is cover the camera, and this is the shield which is cover the flasher here. So yeah, it's look good to come out. Okay, right here this is a Wi-Fi connector, antenna connector from this side. We have to using plastic tool we remove that one. Okay, you guys can see this is the corrosion. This is the corrosion of the water damage. This is the corrosion of the water damage. You can see here water damage. Like rice can't dry these things because it's covered right here. To do good way, you have to take out this everything and clean it properly. That's how you clean the water damage. Let's see what's the original problem. Like rice get into the SIM card tray. That's the original problem. I can see the grain, one small little bitty grain of rice stuck in the inside the SIM card tray. Like it's really stuck in there. Let me okay, let's push it up a little bit and try to get off the okay, this is the problem. See, this is the problem. No, it's not the other problem. Like some are supposed to come outside. Okay, it's piece by piece coming out. Okay, I think its problem is fixed. Let's try with the SIM card tray. Yes, SIM card is working good. Okay, original problem fixed, but I don't think this logic board already damaged with the water, and it should be have some other problems. You have to replace this small metal gasket in here. Like the looks like battery is good. The battery not swelling up. It's look good, but most of the cases, like water damage cases, you have to replace a new battery. That would be good for your phone in the long term, like future. This is the corrosion area. It's corrosion still here, like going a little bit more for the rice particles. That's all he asked from me. Like, let's see any other damages. To see any other damages, I have to go through with the microscope. Unfortunately, like my microscope don't have a camera to plug in and see your. Oh, this digitizer has some problems. Okay, let me try to show how's the water is damaged to your connectors. I try my best to show this problem, but if you can see, I'm so sorry about that, because I don't have equipment which is connect with my microscope. Let's try to do that. Let me put the logic board here. What I'm going to show you. This connector. Maybe you can see it in this connector. Right in here. Let me put some light. Maybe light helps you to see what I'm trying to tell you. Yes, no, you can see it's clearly. Let me use another light. Right, in here, this connector. Let's zoom here and see. You guys can see it. Okay. No, it's not clear enough. Yes, it's not clear enough to see. Okay, in this is the this long connector is the digitizer connector. You can see little bitty dot right here. That's a water damage thing. Okay, what I'm going to do, just remove the sticker right here, which is cover those connector areas, and see, these you have to connect. The rice can't get out of the water underneath this sticker. That's why we need to take out the whole motherboard, whole logic board outside, and it's clean with alcohol and rub this area. Make sure there are no water. The what I'm going to show you, what happened, what the rice treatment affected your, how the rice affected your phone. I put it in on my microscope. Okay, now it's clear. You can see it's really clearly what I'm talking about. Okay, what I'm going to do, like, let's try. Get my iPad. This is my recording device, iPad, and okay, try to put on the microscope. That I not good, but try it. Let's try it this side. It's kind of hard to do things like this way, but I try to do my best to show you how is the damage. Maybe this way you can see it better view. Yes, this is better. This is better. You can see what happened right here, the black spot. That's the water damage area to the digitizer. Cause this thing, cause this problem might be your digitizer. Some areas, like on your touch screen, some areas won't work. The black spot right here, the one pin damaged by the water. Like this is the corrosion. Yeah. You can see this red of that sticker, which is the water damage sticker. And yeah, other connectors, I can see much affected other connectors, but this is what happened. Water damage, like maybe like not much water get into this iPad, iPhone. Let me try to find if there are any more corrosion damages in here. Yes. Yeah, all the corrosions, like in this one, where I can see on the digitizer area, like right now I'm looking on a front facing camera connector. It's look good. It's not it's nothing happened to that one. No corrosion at all. And now I'm looking at this front facing camera connector. It's look good. It's go good. And this is the other connector, power volume up and down connector, power on switch. It's look good. It's look good. It don't. Sorry. This is the VGA, the LCD connector. It's look good. It's not. This is the power and volume up and down connector. It don't have any problems, no corrosion. This is the problem area, the digitizer or your touch screen connector. It's inside, like inside connector, not much damaged, but the outside Oh, you can see, this is a one testing point. The testing point already have a little bit corrosion. Corroded. Let me try to zoom in. The first one, like this one, very first one, it's corroded. Yeah, what we can do, like we can clean a little bit from alcohol and put it back as. But anyway, if you have like kind of old connector which is don't work, or these connectors corroded, if don't work, we have a replacement. We can micro solder for you guys, and we can replace these all the connector for you guys. Just text or message or call, you can contact us and ask about these repairs. We can replace the connectors for you. Okay, if you have any questions, like just any question, any concern, like text or comment or contact us. And that's how is it we fix the problem. The problem is the rice get into the SIM card tray. We successfully remove that problem. Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching us. Have a nice day.